What is going on, beautiful people? I hope you're doing well. It's Sadiq Rahman here. I hope things are going well for you. So in this video, we're going to be talking about how the law of attraction cost me time and money. Welcome back, guys. I hope things are going well for you. So I know the law of attraction has been spoken about a lot in the self-help world, and there are a few things that I want to mention. First of all is that the law of attraction is essentially like attracts like. So whatever you project out into the reality of what you think, the universe works for you to bring that thing into reality. That's essentially the basics of what it is. So for instance, if this is what the law of attraction says, is that if you think of something that you want to be healthy and you have a specific goal, you want to be 12% body fat, for instance, then the universe will work for you to make you achieve that goal. Okay. And a lot of times when people don't apply the law of attraction, what happens is that there's this negative mindset that goes on. Let's take, for instance, this, right? I think that people are out to get me. This is what I think, okay? I'm just giving you an example here. So what will happen is you'll start to find things around you in your life that will make this a self-fulfilling prophecy. So whatever happens is this thing, this belief that you have of people doing you over is essentially going to come back on you. And that's what it is. So you got to focus on what you do want, and that's the positive. Now here's the problem that I found with the law of attraction, is that there's this concept that if you think of something that you want, then the universe works for you. It gives you what you want right now. So if I say I want something tomorrow or next week, it will give it to you. Now I found that this was really problematic. The reason why it was is this for me. Going back about 9 months ago, I left my job and I thought, you know what? I'm going to do my life coaching business. And then the pandemic hit, the lockdown hit and everything like that. So I thought, you know what? I'm going to do my life coaching business full time, but I'm just going to work on YouTube. I'm going to focus on a very specific goal, and that was for me to have 1 million subscribers, And I thought to myself, you know what? The universe is going to work for me, and it's going to give me exactly what I need. And this is the thing that I wanted to manifest, and it's going to come out really quickly. It's going to come out within the next few months. I am going to be having 1 million subscribers. It's going to happen sooner than I think. This thought or this belief was nothing short of absurdity. I just could not believe how at that time I thought that if I manifest something, it could come to me really quickly. And here's the thing, the law of attraction does work, but it works with divine timing. So from my understanding, from my experience, when I left my job and I went to do my life coaching business and I focused on YouTube, it didn't give me the 1 million subscribers that I need. Having said that, it's not to say that the law of attraction doesn't work. Again, when I set the intention of wanting something, it will happen with divine timing. I mention this again. And this is the problem that I had. That was number one. Number two was I never applied the law of attraction with practicality. So I just thought, you know what, I'm just going to go out there, get what I want, and the universe will give me what I want. At that time, I was wrong. So things that I wanted to happen with my business didn't happen the way I wanted it to. So then I had to provide practicality. And that was for me to look for other sources of income. So what I did was I qualified in English as a foreign language. So essentially I could have a side income. Do you see what happened? So I've been wasting like days after days, months after months, thinking that if I focus on this thing, without any real solid practical plan, that I was going to get it. And I was so wrong. I lost a lot of time. I lost a lot of money. There's so many other things I could have been doing. And here's the thing. I am not telling you to not follow the law of attraction. What I am telling you, however, is that you need to be able to really have some sort of concrete plan, a plan B, if something doesn't work out for you, okay? So let's take, for instance, I'm an accountant, okay? I believe in the law of attraction. I believe in everything that the universe or God will give me what I want, okay? But then what happens is I quit my job to pursue being an artist. what do I realize? I realize that I'm not getting the income that I thought I would get, but I thought that the universe is going to help me to be a successful artist where I can get an income. So do you see how flawed it can be if you don't have a solid, practical based plan? It's very important that you have one. You know, you can dream all you want. I mean, in fact, I still believe in the law of attraction. I believe in the universe. I believe in God. I believe everything will happen for me when the time is right. So that means I've got my own vision board. That means I set my own goals. That means I do my visualization. I do all of that stuff. But when it happens according to its timing, which means I need to do everything that I can to take in the small steps and the small actions towards my business. So yes, I am working part-time. Yes, I am working on my business. In fact, right now I'm working on my website. And I'm also excitingly working on my blogging as well, which I really enjoy. So everything is in the motions. I'm doing the steps. I have the big vision. I'm taking the small steps towards my business. So hopefully one day, let's hope, let's pray that my vision, my plan, my business is all going to come about. It will, according to timing, with a plan. So that is what my video is about, and I really want to shed some light on this because I think and I feel with this whole community of the law of attraction that people essentially follow the law of attraction without any real kind of plan, and I feel like people are going to be left astray from this. You know, they're going to be doing mistakes. They're going to be wasting time. So I hope this video has helped you. If it has, then please do me a favor. Please like my video. Please share my video. Please subscribe to my channel. It's really important to me, and I hope that this video has helped you. And until then, my friends, Lord willing, I'll speak to you soon. Take care. Bye.